How to use your water baby neck floatie. Please read instructions and precautions prior to use. By mouth or with a hand pump, inflate the top chamber first and then inflate the bottom air chamber. Next, you need to check for leaks by submerging the floatie underwater and checking for bubbles. Now it's time to put on your floatie by stretching it wide around your baby's neck. Clasp both clips. Adjust your baby's chin onto the chin rest by making sure that the water baby logo is in front. Make sure it is a snug fit, not too tight and not too loose. Make sure to check water temperature and the depth of the pool or bath. And now it's time to get floaty. Remember to never leave your children unattended or near water and always stay within arm's length. And if you have any questions, please get in touch with us. Have fun floating!